Tiik. You're funny, Tiik. You helping? I need to do some cutting, Tiik. Yeah, play with scissors. Dangerous. Oh, don't bite me, Tiik! I wanna go. You're dangerous, Tiik. Keep your tail out of the way, Tiik. There we go. Tiik helping, basically. Very dangerous. See? You're so naughty. Wrapping present with handicap. Handicap, I mean. These things you do. See, I managed it, Tiik. I wrapped it. Hello, this is the latest fashion. I'm getting it ready here because I remember last time trying to get ready. Actually, hello, hi, welcome to a new vlog. It's the afternoon. It's 3:30. I'm leaving in about 3/4 of an hour to go to rehearsal at the church before we do our performance tonight. And what I was about to say, just like going straight into it and not even remembering that I hadn't talked to the camera yet, is that I'm going to get ready here because what I've done previously is like gone to rehearsal and then tried to get dressed and do my makeup in between the rehearsal and the show, but there's usually very little time. Oh, and I have to like have dinner at that point in time as well, and doing all those things at that time is like, it's too stressful. So I am putting on my outfit and I'm gonna do some of my makeup now. And then when I am at the church and in between rehearsal and the show, I will be able to like kind of do some retouching and sort things out, like choose which scarf to wear, but I won't have to do everything, which will be really good. What else was I going to say? Oh, my voice. My voice is the best it's been for the last week and a half, so that bodes really well. I am probably just going to do lip syncing in the rehearsal and then I will be able to sing, not at my usual like strength and volume, but I will be able to sing for the concert. So things are looking good, including my hairstyle. It's just I've got my hair out of the way so I can do my makeup. All right, let's do it. What do we think? Gone a bit festive with the with the gold glitter. Not glitter, like shimmer. Okay. I've deployed the makeup, the hair, the earrings, the dress, the leg warmers, very 80s, and I won't be wearing this for the concert, but I am wearing it now. Hello, my babes. Can I stick a camera in your face?
That's all right.
We're
I've
getting
just adjusted
dressed.
Eleanor's bra. Hello.
Oh yeah, very good. Nice Nice necklace.
Do you like my? Yeah.
I do. I'm still wearing this because it's so cold in here. I never want to take it off.
I'm thinking of putting a fleecy under my dress.
Oh, that's so clever.
Focusing very much. Oh no, that's two.
You're focusing. Yeah, you got.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Down on the extender.
And how are we feeling? How are
Let
we
me
feeling?
go. Let me go.
How are we feeling about the concert?
Absolutely fine.
Yeah.
I brought my tea. This is hot. What is it? Ginger tea. You're obviously thinking like, what about your voice, Iris? My voice is okay. Hi, it's midnight. I just got home. Oh. I couldn't get a taxi at in central London at 12 at night. I can't get a taxi. Oh my god. So I had to taxi myself. I took an Uber bike. I have very frozen fingers now. Yeah, sorry this is such a haphazard, weird vlog. But yeah, I still have my voice even after a whole concert of singing and going to the pub and talking in a very loud environment, and I still have my voice. Amazing. And I could sing all my notes. I sang every single note, even the high D and stuff. Anyway, really happy with how it went tonight. It was just such an amazing time. It gets better every time, I swear. I don't know, I think I'm less nervous and I enjoy it more, and we're getting better as a choir as well. Not that we were bad before, but we're just getting better and better, doing more challenging stuff, and it's so fun and so cool. And I'm just really happy. I'm gonna close out this vlog now because I'm going to bed after I pet Tiik, because she wants to be petted apparently. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching some of the songs, which will be interesting for me as well when I edit it, because obviously I haven't heard the choir perform. I was there doing it, but it's a different experience listening to it. So thanks very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.